Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rename charts in Power BI. This is a simple but essential skill that helps you create more professional and readable reports by customizing your axis labels to match your specific needs. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once it launches, you'll see your workspace where all your reports and visualizations are displayed. Take a moment to locate the chart you want to customize. This could be any chart type you've already created, whether it's a bar chart, line chart, or column chart. Now click directly on the chart you want to rename. This action selects the chart and activates all the customization options available for that specific visualization. You'll notice that once the chart is selected, various panels and options appear on the right side of your screen. On the right side of your Power BI workspace, you'll see a panel labeled Visualizations. This is your control center for everything related to how your chart looks and behaves. It contains all the formatting and data field options you need to modify your visual. Within the Visualizations panel, you'll notice several sections including X-axis and Y-axis. These sections control what data is displayed on each axis of your chart. Understanding these areas is crucial because they determine how your data is organized and presented to your audience. For this example, let's say we're working with a stacked column chart. This is a common chart type that displays data in vertical bars, making it easy to compare values across different categories. The same process we're about to follow works for most chart types in Power BI. Focus on the Y-axis section now. You'll see the current data field displayed there with a small arrow pointing down beside it. This arrow is your gateway to additional options for that particular axis. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu with various customization choices. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Rename for this visual. This option is specifically designed to let you change the axis label without affecting the original field name in your dataset. This is particularly useful because it allows you to create reader-friendly labels while keeping your data structure intact. A text box will appear where you can type in your new name. Type whatever label makes the most sense for your audience. Maybe you want to change sales amount to total revenue or product category to simply products. Choose something clear and descriptive that will help viewers understand your chart at a glance. And that's it. Your chart axis has been successfully renamed with your custom label. The new name will now appear on your chart, making it more polished and easier to understand for anyone viewing your report. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.